Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cake Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shahzadi. We are bringing you 20 romantic cake designs perfect for Valentine's Day 2025. Let's spread some cake in love form. First one is classic heart shaped cake. The timeless red heart cake topped with fondant roses and piped message. Simple, sweet, and iconic. The next is red velvet rose cake. Moist red velvet layers with rose pattern, buttercream swirls. Love you can taste. The next is chocolate drip love cake. Pink umber cake with glossy chocolate gunge dripping down, sweet and sluttery. The next is cocoa box cake. A cake designed to look like a box of cupcakes spelling XOXO, hugs and kisses in every bite. The next is heart bento cakes. Mini bento cakes in pastel tones with cute message like be mine or I love you. Perfect for gifting. The next is chocolate covered strawberry cake. Chocolate sponge with real strawberries and dipped strawberry decor. Irresistible and romantic. The next is love letter envelope cake. Fondant envelope cake with a sugar note inside. Deliver your cake in cake form. The next is pink ombre tide cake. Two tide cake fading from blush pink to deep red with floral accent. Elegant and dreamy. The next is photo memory cake. Edible photo prints of you and your Valentines around the cake. A trip down memory lane. The next is love balloon cake. Heart shaped fondant balloons rising off the cake with strings. Light, fun, and festive. The next is mini love cake set. Collection of four tiny hearts cakes with different flavors and messages. Perfect for sharing or not. The next is gold and blush romance cake. Blush tone cake with gold leaf detail and delicate water pepper flowers. A luxurious Valentine's look. The next is conversation heart cake. Inspired by hearts with saying like QTP, true love, forever, cute, colorful, and fun. Perfect for girls or talkative girls. The next is hidden heart inside cake. Cute heart shaped cake. Cut into the cake and reveal a heart shape in every slice. Love baked right into it. The next is romantic drip cake with roses. Soft pink base with fresh and pipe roses. and glossy strawberry glaze. A rose garden you can eat. The next is red velvet mini steak. Tiny stalked cakelets with cream cheese filling and heart sprinkles. Personal sized romance. The next is teddy bear love cake. Fondant teddy bear hugging a heart atop the cake. Adorable for Valentine's gift. The next is love you to the moon. Galaxy glaze cake with stars and crescent moon topper for the dreamers in love. The next is floral heartworth cake. A floral white heartworth made of buttercream flowers decorating the top. Garden inspired sweetness. The next is proposal cake. Top opens with a hidden ring compartment or will you marry me note inside. Love plus surprise in one dessert. Perfect for surprise or engagement parties. Tips for Valentine's cake decor. Want to dye your own Valentine's cake? Here are a few ideas. Use heart mold for mini cakes. Go with red, pink, white, and gold color petals. And real flowers or fondant roses. Write sweet message with piping gel or chocolate. Drip technique adds a romantic flair instantly. Don't forget a heart topper. Which cake stole your heart? Was it the hidden heart cake, the romantic cake, or the teddy bear cutie? Tell us in the comment below and tag someone would you love to bake for. Like this video, comment which cake was your favorite, and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas like this. For creative cake design, turn on the bell icon for Cakes Factory. Happy Valentine's, sweethearts, and gift a cake which was your favorite. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, goodbye.